Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to get display adapter properties on Windows 10. Open Start, Settings. Click System. Click Advanced Display Settings. Click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. It displays chip type, DAC type, adapter string, BIOS information, total available graphics memory, dedicated video memory, system video memory, shared system memory. Also displays, list all models. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.